GlamDollz. So I'm here today to share with you all a super small and quick haul from my local Walmart and Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what the MGA find at Walmart and Dollar Tree that she's claiming to be a quick haul now. For real, it's super fast because it wasn't much for me to find in this trip. First thing up is from Walmart. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard of this or maybe have seen it, especially if you're connected with me throughout my social media and on my Instagram. Remember when I posted how up in Walmart you got the Walmart beauty box? Yes, dolls, this is a $37 or maybe even more than $37 value for only $10, and you're getting everything that you are seeing in this picture right in this box right here. OMG, look at this right here. You're getting the I don't want you to get the glare. Okay, there we go. You're getting, and I have to turn it sideways, so forgive me, but you're getting the nudes, the CoverGirl nudes. You're getting a eyeshadow over here. You're getting some mascara. You're getting lashes, and you're getting the Lash Paradise mascara. That mascara alone is costing you about $10 up in Walmart. This palette right here, I've seen it in like my local drugstores for give or take about 12, you know, 12 bucks or something like that, 12, 13 bucks. So even with those two right there, you already catching up. Don't want you to get the glare. You're already catching up on your savings with this Walmart beauty box. That's only $10 and is up in your local Walmart, and they have 3 other boxes for you to choose from. I only selected this box right here, but they have 3 other versions that you can choose from. It's highly encouraging and worth you dolls looking into. You should even check for it on the Walmart website if you're not able to get to your local Walmart and pick you one up. So I got that. Now for my super quick Dollar Tree haul. Really quick. I picked up this wall decal. Okay, I picked this up right here, and it says you got this, girl. That's what it says. You got this. You got this, girl. That's why I picked it up. I'm all about positive reinforcements, you know, positive vibes, positive energy, and this spoke volumes to me. It's a peel and stick. You can place this on your wall, or you can actually place this on your mirror because it's a clear background to it. So I picked that up, and I picked up 2 of them. And just to go along with it, because the heart is like in a purple-ish color with the lips, I picked up these purple, got that? Yeah, okay. I picked up these purple butterflies that matches with the purple heart. So I'm gonna put this on my my full-length mirror, and then I'm gonna put one in my bathroom. So yeah, I got that. Next thing up, I picked up this face mask. It's a charcoal face mask for detoxifying your skin. You get 1 mask. I picked that up right there. I'm all for the mask. Got that. Then I saw a new looking bath bomb that was up in Dollar Tree. So I was like, let me buy it. Let me give it a try. It says Treat Me Bath Burst, and it comes in, oh, it says Spa Goals. Comes in this packaging right here, and it says Spa Goals down there, and this is a bath burst. It says you just drop it in the water for some aromatherapy and body softening. So got that. And the last few things I want to share with you, well, last 2 things, well, yeah, few. I picked up these sprays right here from the houseware section. Push and Spray. This is equivalent to you buying the Glade Scents and Spray. I haven't tried them yet. I haven't opened them to say if they work, but to say they was in Dollar Tree for $1, it was worth giving a try. If you have used these before, comment down below. Let me know if these have really worked for you and if they give a good throw. I'm going to put one in each of my bathrooms here, and you know, I'll see, but I got those. And the last thing I want to share with you, and then my video is over, I picked up some clear rubber bands. It's 500 to a pack. I thought this was super cute since they clear and not the typical black ones. I got that in. Voila. I told y'all I was going to pop in here on a super fast, super quick, short Dollar Tree Walmart haul. So, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to Miss GlamDollz YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Join in on this amazing official GlamDollz community. My name is Glam. All the official GlamDollz here on this channel and in this community, they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking bank for a fabulous look. So when you subscribe into this community, that's exactly what you're going to get, is me sharing fab beauty on a budget finds, just like I showed you in this video, that you won't have to break your bank for. Seriously, this concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget, we still gonna have to stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.